Guys, in this video I will show you how you can buy Bitcoin on Binance. It's really fast and easy, and let me show you how. So first you need to log into your account. So if you don't have account, I will leave the link in the description of this video below so you can register to Binance completely for free. And when you log in, you should see similar window to this. And the first step what you need to do here, on the top left corner there is buy crypto, and then when you hover your mouse, the first option is pay with, and you can select basically currency. So it can be British pound, it can be USD, basically every single currency you can select on this chart. So it totally depends on you. And then you need to deposit money to Binance. So for example, I want to deposit British pound, and then you need to select via bank deposit, credit or debit card, P2P trading, or cash balance, or third-party payments. So select whatever fits you the most. And once you deposit money to Binance, let's say British pound, you need to go to wallet, and then you need to go to fiat and spot, right? And then we will be redirected to another page here, and as you can see here, we need to wait, and it will be here your balance, and also it will be your balance in Bitcoin, but it will not be a Bitcoin. So what you need to do here, then you need to search coin USDT, right? Tether US, and you need to buy this coin with your fiat money. So it can be British coin, British pound, or USD, it really doesn't matter. And then let's say I entered deposit 100 British pound, right? And as you can see here, it converts to USDT. So then you need to press buy USDT, and when you have USDT, then you need to go to trade and then convert. And then as you can see here, you need to put a USDT amount that you have. So for example, it was 137, and preview conversion. And as you can see here, we need to wait for a few seconds here, and it says how much Bitcoin you will get. So obviously on this account, as you can see here, for me is inefficient balance because I don't have any balance on this account. But for you, it will be, if you have for example 137 USDT, it will show you how much you will get for Bitcoin for USDT that you have, right? And then you can basically convert it, right? So guys, that's pretty much it. That's how you can buy Bitcoin on Binance. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.